Welcome to the shoe manufacturing factory. In this video, you will watch slowly and clearly how shoes are made step by step inside a large modern factory. You will see machines working. You will see workers doing careful tasks. You will see raw materials turn into beautiful shoes. Watch carefully, relax, and enjoy the full factory process. Every shoe starts with raw materials. Big trucks arrive at the factory gate carrying leather rolls, synthetic fabric, rubber sheets, foam padding, threads, glue cans, eyelets, laces, and insoles. Workers unload the materials carefully. They place leather rolls on large racks. Rubber sheets are stacked in piles. Foam is stored in clean, dry rooms. A quality inspector checks the leather surface. He checks thickness, softness, and color. Only approved materials move forward. This is the beginning of the shoe journey. Now the leather and fabric move to the cutting department. This area has loud hydraulic cutting machines. A worker spreads a large leather sheet on a flat cutting table. He places a metal cutting die on the leather. The hydraulic press comes down slowly with great force. The machine cuts the leather into perfect shapes. These shapes will become front part of the shoe side panels, back support, tongue of the shoe, piece by piece. Hundreds of parts are cut every hour. Workers bundle the cut pieces and send them to stitching. This section is full of sewing machines. Workers sit in rows with focus and skill. They take the cut leather pieces. They start stitching two pieces together. The sound of sewing machines fills the room. They attach the tongue. They stitch the side panels. They add soft inner lining. Slowly, the upper shape of the shoe appears. Each stitch must be straight and strong. If a stitch is wrong, the piece is rejected. This process continues again and again for every shoe. In another part of the factory, soles are being made. Rubber granules are poured into a heating machine. The rubber melts into liquid form. This hot rubber is injected into sole molds. The molds close tightly. After cooling, the molds open. Fresh soles come out. Workers trim the extra rubber edges. Soles are now ready to join with the upper. Now the stitched upper comes here. A plastic foot shape called a last is inserted inside the upper. The upper is pulled tightly over the last. Glue is applied to the bottom edges. The rubber sole also receives glue. A pressing machine joins them together. Now it finally looks like a real shoe. This process is repeated slowly for every pair. The shoes move on a conveyor belt into a heating tunnel. Heat activates the glue. The bond between sole and upper becomes very strong. Shoes come out warm and firm. Workers remove extra glue marks. They clean the shoe surface with cloth. They insert soft insoles. They put laces into the eyelets. Brand logos are stamped. Each shoe is wiped and polished. Now the shoes look shiny and new. Every shoe is checked by trained inspectors. They check stitching quality sole attachment shape and size. Clean finishing defective shoes are removed. Perfect shoes go forward. Shoes are paired together. Paper is inserted inside to keep shape. Each pair goes into a branded box. Boxes are labeled with size and model. boxes are packed into cartons. Cartons are sealed with tape. Cartons are loaded onto pallets. Forklifts carry them to trucks. Shoes are now ready to go to shops and customers. This is the complete journey of shoe manufacturing inside a factory. From raw leather to finished shoes, every step is important. Machines and humans work together to create perfect footwear. Thank you for watching this relaxing factory process.